Right, welcome back. What has been a very quick build indeed. I can happily say that my UNSC Pelican Dropship is all finished. And for a build and play kit, snap tight kit, it's turned out really well. Not bad at all. So, here's the final results. Right, turning my camera around, as you can see, it's all finished. All stickered up, all washed up. Looks really nice. Now, when I left here, I just explained there's not much interior detail, so I didn't put any black wash in there. So basically what I did is I just put all the stickers on, various nose steps, and you got the UNSC eagles there and a couple of warning ones there. I just left them overnight to dry, to settle properly. It took about 10 minutes to put those on. And then next morning, I've just basically gone to town with a wash. Now, on this side here, you can see there's like UNSC, there's a couple of warning stickers, but on the box art, whoever's built this up for Revell, you can actually see there's a couple of extra stickers there. You got the the yellow arrow pointing up, and then you got those various red arrows there for warnings. Those decals wasn't included in the kit. There wasn't missing, there wasn't a secondary sheet, it was all on the one sheet. I checked the instructions pamphlet, and there was only the one sheet, and it didn't include those decals, so I don't, that's, you know, the continuity compared to that, I don't know why that's on the actual box art. It's weird. Anyway, going back to the completed Pelican. So basically what I did is I just went to town on my wash, and that's it. You don't really need to do anything with this. You could weather it a bit more, put a bit of mud around the feet and everything, but I didn't bother. I just did it with the black wash. I let the black wash settle down for about a minute or two, and then just wiped it off with a bit of kitchen toweling. Now obviously in the nooks and crannies, like especially around there, I had to get a brush, put a bit of toweling on it and wipe it out so it didn't pool up. But that was it. Just like I said, you could see that the wash has brought the detail out a hell of a lot better, especially on those lovely panel lines. It's very uneven. It's not, you know, some of it's gone into the channel, some of it's been wiped out with the cloth. But I'm liking this. Very nice indeed. Now you can see that it's standing on a foot there. You pull that out. You can pull it out or push it back in if you want it in flight mode. And then you got the feet and the stabilising legs with a ramp. And it stands really nice. Not bad at all. It's slightly on the piss slightly, but it will stand up straight. Now another cool feature about this, you can actually move the wings to whatever position you want. Doing this one-handed, you can see that they move, fully move. And you've got the ones at the rear as well, they move as well. So you can have them whatever position you want. Not bad at all. So I'll turn this thing over. You can see, again, I've washed all the underneath. You've got the actual armour carriage cradle there, where you can either have a scorpion tank or a warthog. Shame it doesn't actually come with the extra vehicle, actually. Which is a bit of a shame. You got the speaker box there. I haven't put any wash on that because I don't want to muffle the sounds anymore. So I'm just putting this back on its feet again. Now you got the button here. There's the button for the sound. So I'm just going to push the button. When it wants to work. There we go. And then there's a secondary sound when I can get it to work. And that's the secondary sound. I don't know why it don't want to work. Maybe the battery's going, I don't know. But like I said, it does light up the cockpit, but it doesn't transfer any of that light to the rear cabin, which is unfortunate. Because like I said, I don't know why they've emphasised on the actual cockpit with the lighting, because there's nothing in there. Not really. I mean, you can see the chief and the pilot there, but that's it. If it was a better interior, obviously, you know, it would have brought it out a hell of a lot better. But the one thing I do like about this Halo range of the snap type build and play kits is they're not just for kids. I mean, obviously, if you bought this for your kid for Christmas and he wouldn't want it weathering, obviously you put the stickers on and build it. You know, it's took 2 hours to build, but like, you know, I haven't, you know, I'm rambling. I apologise for the rambling. A kid wouldn't want it weathered, so you'd have him, is it finished, Dad? Is it finished, Dad? Is it finished yet? And then you pass it over after an hour and 30 minutes and say, there you go and play with it. Leave me alone. But for serious modelers, you can actually do a lot with these snap tight kits. You can actually add weathering and make it look more like a model than an actual toy. Because this is what this is, it's a toy, but for the serious modeler, you can add a hell of a lot to it. Anyway, so just turning it round on my little turntable, get one last look at her. Oh, I've missed a UNSC sticker there as well. But there it is. I'm really happy on how this has turned out. Not bad for a snap type build and play kit. Anyway, with my rambling finished, I've took some photos. I'll put it on the end of this video. You'll get a better look at the interior, the rear interior, because I put the flash on that photo. And see you fairly soon, my next build. Thank you very much for watching.